Hi, I'm Andy Squire, 35 years in pharma, two-time cancer survivor, and founder of PatientCentricCare.ai. Most failures of AI in healthcare are not intelligence failures. They are authority failures. We are deploying systems into patient environments without clearly defining who holds decision authority and how that authority is enforced when the system actually acts. Today, governance mostly lives in documentation, not in execution. And when AI crosses an authority boundary, we only notice after the fact. In healthcare, that is too late. Right now, we operate in two worlds: consumer AI with minimal real accountability, and regulated clinical AI where authority is tightly defined under SAMD frameworks. But there is no safe, governed, step-by-step path between them. Responsibility shifts from caregiver to clinician to regulator, but the governance mechanisms do not shift with it. That gap is where risk grows. Safety OS is governance middleware. It is not a model. It is not a chatbot. It is runtime enforcement infrastructure. Physicians define the authority boundaries. Safety OS enforces consent gates,
scope of action,
escalation routing, and immutable audit logging. AI executes inside those constraints. Humans remain in charge. Our three-phase governance infrastructure starts deliberately outside SAMD classification. Phase 1 is a governed desktop voice companion for seniors living alone at home. It does not diagnose. It does not infer. It does not recommend treatment. Instead, it tests whether governance can actually hold under real-world conditions. We measure refusal reliability, escalation accuracy, consent tracking over time, and audit traceability. If a boundary is crossed while the system is running, the architecture has failed. That is a testable claim. Early prototype tests already show the system politely refusing medical advice and escalating to caregivers when needed. Safety OS creates a governed pathway from non-medical AI support to physician-supervised AI, and finally to regulated AI as a medical device, without handing clinical authority to the AI along the way. PatientCentricCare.ai is currently in a pre-seed sponsorship phase, testing our first prototypes with seniors. We are seeking $1 million to support controlled pilot deployments, independent audit validation, and regulatory alignment preparation. AI will scale care delivery, but authority must remain human. Safety OS makes that enforceable.